Come back to subscribe, please. Today, we're diving into the Baby Labubu token presale, a new crypto coin available on PINKSALE using BNB on the Binance Smart Chain, or BSC. This video will guide you through the process of potentially buying Baby Labubu. However, it's crucial to remember that this is not financial advice. Oh, what exactly is Baby Labubu? It's a token with the ticker symbol Baby Labubu, designed with specific project goals in mind. The tokenomics, including supply and distribution, will play a key role in its functionality. Also, keep an eye on their community and roadmap for future developments. I consider participating in the presale. Presales offer early access and the potential for higher returns. Getting in early could mean a lower presale price compared to the anticipated listing price, but always be aware of the risks associated with presales. ETs talk about PINKSALE. PINKSALE is a platform designed to host and manage crypto presales, offering benefits like added security features. It's important to understand PINKSALE's purpose and any vetting process they might have in place for projects. Now, let's get you prepared with the prerequisites: BNB, BSC, and a crypto wallet. BNB is the native cryptocurrency of Binance. You'll need some to participate, and it is readily available on Binance. Then you'll need to understand that BSC, or Binance Smart Chain, is the blockchain network where Baby Labubu operates. You'll also need a crypto wallet like MetaMask or Trust Wallet. First, set up your chosen wallet, and then add the BSC network to it to interact with the Binance Smart Chain. Here's a step-by-step guide on how to buy Baby Labubu on PINKSALE. Start by visiting the official PINKSALE link, making sure to verify you're on the legitimate source. Next, connect your wallet to PINKSALE. Once connected, carefully verify the presale details, including the token address, hard cap, and soft cap. Then, enter the amount of BNB you wish to contribute. Confirm the transaction within your wallet. Finally, after the presale ends, if applicable, claim your Baby Labubu tokens. Now, let's address security. Always verify the smart contract address to ensure you're interacting with the correct token. Be vigilant against scams and phishing attempts, and only use official links. Always do your own research, and never share your private keys with anyone. ETs talk about risks and disclaimers. Cryptocurrencies are volatile, and projects can fail. Understand that you could potentially lose funds, and remember, this is not financial advice. Always consult a financial advisor before making investment decisions. In conclusion, the Baby Labubu presale presents an opportunity, but it requires caution and awareness. Check the description for links to the official website and social media channels. Again, it's crucial to do your own thorough research before participating. Thanks for watching. See you next time on Subscribe, please.